guys what's inside. So we have this little card right here. We have this little booklet. Then we have our shotgun microphone right here. In the box we have these little mount. So there are two of them in this box right here, two mount. Put that to the side. Then we have our card right here. This is our cable for your camera, I think. And this is a cable for your cell phone. So it can be used on your camera and also on your cell phone. This is for the cell phone. Also in the box right here, you have a little pouch. Okay guys, so let us look at this right here. So this is the dead cap that is on it right here. Let me take it off. And this right here is the microphone that come inside it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna connect back my microphone right now on my dead cat right here. So connect it up right now, and I'm going to excited to connect it to my phone to actually make you guys hear how it sound. Now, quick important thing to note guys, the reason I bought this microphone is basically to do most of my vlogging. So if you want a original vlogging style microphone, these are type of microphone that you should consider using in terms of vlogging. I usually use a lavalier microphone, but I realize that those microphones are not good for vlogging, especially when you're around going about. You don't have to pin it on your clothes, you just attach it to your gimbal and set it up, and it's very easy and convenient. So that's why I get this microphone right here. So I'm excited right now to test it out to see exactly how the sound quality has improved. Well, I have no how this has sound as yet, so when in my editing you guys can actually see how this actually sounds. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to use this cable right here. This cable is for the mobile phone cable. As you can see, one part right here is for the microphone, and the next part right here is for the phone. So I'm going to pull it out right now and connect it to my phone. And I connect this end now to my phone. Yes guys, now I have my card attached to my microphone right here, and I have this part right here. Now you might be wondering, how am I going to connect this now to my iPhone? So if you're an iPhone user, you realize that iPhone remove the headphone jack that is on the phone right here. So no problem. What I have for you guys is the MOVO adapter. This is a female adapter for your headphone cable. Yes guys, so basically I purchased this with my MOVO microphone. I realized that this is the same brand, MOVO, to use with my microphone. So you can check this out. So I'll leave a link in the description that you guys can look at if you want to purchase one of these also. Links to everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so guys, so make sure that you check it out. This is cable right here. So I'm attach this head now to my headphone right here. I'm going to attach this now right now to my phone right here. Yes guys, so right now I'm doing a microphone test with my microphone shotgun MOVO and this phone right here. So you guys can let me know the sound quality and how much this has improved. You understand? So let me know guys how the sound quality sound on this right here. So basically using my microphone right now to shoot and record this video. So guys, yeah, I'm testing now to see exactly how this sound and how much it has improved. I'm going to plug it off right now and use my sound and my phone right here, onboard microphone, and let you guys see the difference. Yes guys, so this video is now recorded without the microphone. As you can see, the microphone is in my hand right now, so I plug it off to see exactly how the sound and how the sound quality of this has improved, or if it's not improved, it's worth it, or if it's not. So you guys can tell me if the sound quality improved or if it's not. So I'm going to basically plug it in again so you guys can get a one more test of this to see exactly how it sounds. Yes guys, so the microphone is actually plugged in right now, so I'm going to test it to see exactly how it sounds, if the sound quality has improved or if it sounds better in some way or worse. So you guys can let me know again which of the sound quality has improved, which of the sound quality sound better, with the microphone or without the microphone. As I said, the microphone is plugged in right now. Yes guys, and this is also one more test without the microphone on right now. So I have using my onboard microphone and this phone right here. So let me know the sound quality and how well this have been improved, right? Yes guys, so the microphone is not connected right now. So this is my final sound test of this right here. So if you guys enjoy this video, please to smash that like button, share this video with a friend. Now I have previously done an unboxing and review of a lavalier microphone on my channel, so if you guys want to see that video, please click the card right above to watch that video. Now this type of shotgun microphone and a lavalier microphone have two different purposes. Now a shotgun microphone is basically for vlogging type videos, and a lavalier type microphone is basically for like a interview or podcast or something when you want to capture those unique audio. Now this type of shotgun microphone basically capture audios from your environment, so it basically fit for these type of vlogging videos. So yes guys, I will be using this microphone to do most of my vlogging and not my lavalier microphone. When I'm doing those tutorial and those things, when I'm inside, I will basically use my lavalier to do most of that. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If this video do, please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Peace out.